Flipping houses for fast real estate profit. Flipping houses has become an increasingly popular real estate investment strategy, driven by the allure of substantial profits within a relatively short period. This practice involves purchasing properties in need of repair or renovation, improving them, and subsequently selling them at a higher price. While the concept appears straightforward, successful house flipping requires careful planning, meticulous execution, and a deep understanding of the real estate market. Market conditions and timing. Understanding market conditions is crucial for successful house flipping. In a robust seller's market characterized by high demand and limited supply, properties tend to sell more quickly and at premium prices. However, during a buyer's market with a surplus of available properties, selling can be challenging. It's essential to be aware of the current market dynamics before embarking on a house flipping venture. One common pitfall is buying properties at inflated prices due to competitive bidding, which can significantly reduce potential profits. To overcome this hurdle, you must develop a keen sense of when to buy and when to wait for more favorable market conditions. Timing is often a decisive factor in the success of a house flip. Business approach. Flipping houses should be treated as a business rather than a hobby. Like any business, it requires thorough planning, budgeting, and strategic decision-making. To maximize profitability, consider the following. 1. Develop a comprehensive business plan, outline your objectives, budget, timeline, and exit strategy. A well-structured plan will serve as your roadmap throughout the project. 2. Create a realistic budget, establish a detailed budget that covers acquisition costs, renovation expenses, holding costs, property taxes, utilities, insurance, and selling expenses, real estate commissions, closing costs. Be sure to include a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. 3. Set a realistic timeline. Time is a critical factor in house flipping. Develop a timeline that outlines each phase of the project, from acquisition to resale. Delays can significantly impact profitability, so strive to stick to your schedule. 4. Networking. Build a network of real estate professionals, contractors, and service providers. Having a reliable team can streamline the flipping process and help mitigate potential issues. Property selection and negotiation. The success of a house flip begins with acquiring the right property at the right price. Here are some essential considerations. 1. Property location. Location is a fundamental factor in real estate. Research neighborhoods that are in demand, have good schools, low crime rates, and proximity to amenities. An ideal location can significantly increase the resale value of the property. 2. Cosmetic versus structural repairs. Distinguish between properties that require only cosmetic improvements, paint, flooring, fixtures, and those needing more extensive structural renovations, foundation, roof, plumbing. Assess the extent of repairs accurately to avoid underestimating costs. 3. Negotiation skills. Develop strong negotiation skills to secure properties at favorable prices. Sellers may have emotional attachments to their homes, but as a house flipper, your primary goal is to acquire properties at a cost that allows for a profit. 4. Inspection. Always invest in a professional property inspection before finalizing a purchase. Inspections reveal hidden issues, structural defects, or code violations that may not be apparent during a casual viewing. The inspection report can be a valuable tool for negotiation and budgeting. Managing renovations and budget. Once you've acquired a property, effective project management becomes critical. Here are key elements to consider. 1. Efficient project management. Efficiently oversee contractors and project timelines. Time management is vital, as delays can lead to increased holding costs and decreased profitability. 2. Budget adherence. Stick to your budget rigorously. Renovation expenses can quickly spiral out of control without proper oversight. Avoid unnecessary expenditures by focusing on renovations that provide the most significant return on investment. 3. Quality versus over-personalization. While it's essential to create a property that appeals to potential buyers, avoid over-personalization. Invest in features and upgrades that align with the target market's preferences and the property's overall value. 4. Resale value. Identify improvements that will maximize the property's resale value. Modern kitchens, updated bathrooms, curb appeal enhancements, and energy-efficient upgrades are often appealing to buyers. Market knowledge and timing. Keeping abreast of market trends and conditions is critical for a successful house flip. Key factors to consider include 1. Economic indicators. Pay attention to economic indicators like job growth, population trends, and interest rates. These factors can influence housing demand and property values. 2. Local market trends. Stay informed about local real estate market trends. Identify neighborhoods experiencing growth and rising property values, as these areas often yield higher returns. 3. Comparative market analysis. CMA. Conduct a CMA to assess the selling prices of similar properties in the area. This analysis will help you determine a competitive asking price and maximize your potential profit. 4. Seasonal considerations. Recognize that market conditions can vary by season. The spring and summer months are typically more active for real estate sales, while the winter months may experience slower activity. Exit strategy and profitability. Having a clear exit strategy is vital for a successful house flip. Several options exist. 1. Direct sale. The most common exit strategy is selling the property to a new homeowner. Timing and pricing play critical roles in this approach. 2. Rent-to-own. In some cases, you may consider a rent-to-own arrangement. This option allows potential buyers to rent the property with the option to purchase it later, providing you with rental income while retaining the potential for a future sale. 3. Lease option. Similar to rent-to-own, a lease option provides tenants the opportunity to buy the property at a predetermined price within a specified time frame. 4. Holding for appreciation. Depending on market conditions, you may opt to hold the property for long-term appreciation. This strategy involves renting out the property while waiting for its value to increase significantly. Market fluctuations and risk mitigation. Realize that real estate markets can be subject to fluctuations, and house flipping carries inherent risks. Here are some strategies to mitigate risks. 1. Risk assessment. Evaluate the risks associated with each investment. Factors such as market conditions, renovation complexity, and location should be carefully considered. 2. Financial cushion. Maintain a financial cushion to cover unexpected expenses, market downturns, or extended holding periods. Avoid over-leveraging your investments. 3. Diversification. Diversify your real estate portfolio by investing in different property types or geographic areas. This strategy can help mitigate the impact of localized market fluctuations. 4. Stay informed. Continually educate yourself about real estate trends, market conditions, and investment strategies. Attend seminars, workshops, and networking events to expand your knowledge. The significance of property inspections. Property inspections are an integral component of responsible real estate investing. Whether you're buying, selling, or renovating properties, inspections offer invaluable insights and serve multiple purposes. Identification of hidden issues. Inspections uncover structural problems, safety hazards, and concealed damage that may not be apparent during a casual viewing. These issues could range from plumbing and electrical problems to hidden mold or pest infestations. Identifying these issues early allows for informed decision-making and budgeting. Negotiation tool. The findings from property inspections can be used as a negotiation tool. If significant issues are discovered, buyers can often negotiate a lower purchase.